Have you ever liked someone but they acted like you didn't matter? You were there for them. You cared. You tried to stay close. But their response? Flat. Indifferent. Sometimes it even felt like you were invisible. Have you ever felt like you were the only one trying? You're the one who says hi first. The one who thinks hard about what to talk about. The one who always checks in first. And the more you chase, the more they pull away. The more you care, the more they ignore. Until eventually you get tired. Breathe. You're not alone. Many people have been through this, and today, I want to share something that can lift you up, not to beg for love, but to make others realize you're the one worth. Ready? Let's begin. First, you must know, people are attracted to what's rare, not what's cheap. That doesn't mean you have to play hard to get, but you need to become someone of value. Imagine this, between a rare diamond and a random stone on the sidewalk, which one do people seek? Which one do they fight to obtain? It's the same with you. If you're always available, always giving attention, always giving in, without setting boundaries, without self-respect, eventually, you'll be taken for granted. Because things that are too easy to get are often easy to forget. Now imagine you start to change. You don't rush to reply to their messages, you stop posting stories just hoping they'll watch. You stop checking their profile every night. You start focusing on you. You take care of your appearance. You improve the way you dress, walk, speak. You read books, watch self-development videos, join positive communities. You upgrade your mind. And guess what? Your aura changes. People begin to notice you. Not because you try to be noticed, but because you've become the best version of yourself. That kind of energy is irresistible. Next, you need to understand the art of disappearing. Sometimes, what makes someone realize your worth is your absence. Maybe they thought you'd always be there. Every time they needed something, there you were. Every time they felt lonely, you came running. But what happens when, one day, you go quiet? No messages. No updates. No "I miss you." They start to wonder, why isn't he or she acting the same? And from that confusion comes curiosity. From curiosity comes the desire to know more. And from that desire comes the urge to come closer. Remember, you're not ordinary. You're someone worth questioning when you go missing. Next, never reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep some of it for later. Let a part of you stay a mystery. That doesn't mean you should be closed off or manipulative. But give them room to be curious, because the more puzzles you hold, the stronger the pull to solve them. A little mystery is magnetic. When you share about yourself, leave space for imagination. Let them see you have a past, a story, but not all of it is ready to be shared, at least, not now. People value what they don't fully understand. So let them wonder. Let them think. Let them want to know more. Never make them feel like your life revolves around them. They are not the only one. Your world is big. You have many friends. You're busy. You have big dreams. Show that. Show that your life is exciting. You're active, productive, admired by many, and yes, many are interested in you. When they realize you're not just attractive to them, but to others too, that's when the desire to possess kicks in. Because humans are competitive by nature. What many people want feels more valuable. This is the core of the push and pull strategy. Approach, then withdraw. Smile, then go silent. Start a chat, then go live your life. Make them feel comfortable, then make them miss you. Not because you're playing games, but because you know your worth. You're not a toy to be picked up at will. You're not an escape. You're someone worth fighting for. And when you master this rhythm wisely, without drama, without manipulation, but with sincerity and control, you become addictive. Because people love dynamics, not monotony. And finally, most importantly, build a life that makes you happy without them. If you only feel happy when they are around, you're placing your life's control in someone else's hands. And that is dangerous. Build your own happiness. Laugh without them. Cry without them knowing. Grow until people look at you and say, wow, they've really changed. And believe me, when you're happy without them, when you shine without anyone's help, when you rise and grow without being led, they'll start to see you differently. They'll wonder, how are they so strong? Why don't they miss me? Why are they even cooler now? And from their little steps will begin. A small smile. A brief hello. A chat they initiate. They'll come back. And this time not because you chased, but because they realized. Remember this well, you deserve to be pursued. You deserve to be fought for, you deserve to be missed when you're gone. But all of that starts with you respecting yourself first. It's not about pretending to be strong, it's about becoming strong because you chose to love yourself first. When you become the best version of yourself, you don't need to chase anyone. Because the best will come on their own and fight hard just to have you. Don't chase someone who doesn't see you, be the light they can't avoid. When you chase, you lose value. But when you're still, you capture attention. Focus on yourself, not on them. Heal the wounds. Strengthen your soul. Those who truly love themselves will always radiate an irresistible energy. Build dreams that can't be shaken, not relationships that lead nowhere. Someone will always chase the light. So shine brighter than the world. Don't always be the first to message, let them feel your absence. Be less present, add more mystery. Sometimes longing grows in silence. Love your life wholeheartedly until they want to be a part of your days. Prove you can be happy on your own, that's the most attractive thing you can show. Improve your looks not for them, but because you deserve to feel amazing. Wear your perfume not to attract, but to honor yourself daily. Build a career. Pursue hobbies. Be someone busy, yet glowing. Those with goals and passion always spark deep curiosity. Don't always be available. People value what's rare. If they rarely see you, they'll often think of you. Don't reply too quickly. Sometimes, let them wait and wonder. But when you do respond, do it with a smile, let their heart feel the pull. Having boundaries is essential. So they know you're not just anyone. When you respect yourself, they'll slowly respect their feelings for you. Speak wisely and kindly. Don't overshare your feelings. Let them guess your heart, because mystery is more tempting than answers. Be there when they need you, but not always. Because true need is born of scarcity. Smile, but not too sweetly. Leave room for gentle curiosity. Be a comforting presence, but never a comfort zone. Be someone soothing, yet still a challenge. Don't fall for sweet talk too quickly, because what's easily won is easily lost. Say no with grace, it makes you more respected in conversation. Show your worth without speaking, let your actions be your language. People chase what makes them feel that you're not just anyone. Laugh sincerely, but not excessively. Be someone delightful to be around. Yet still guard your privacy and limits, because mystery stirs curiosity. Have healthy, supportive friends. They bring the right energy into your life. Your circle reflects your quality, and that quality makes people crave your presence. Don't become a cheap version of love, because real love doesn't beg for attention. Be the best version of yourself. And people won't just want to join you, they'll want to have you. Do what you love, and do it with all your heart. People are drawn to the fire in your soul because it shines without you trying. Let them see you from afar while you're busy loving life. That's more alluring than chasing them, because your freedom makes them restless. Remember, you're a gift, not a request. So show up like a surprise. Never fear losing. What's meant for you will fight to stay. Never beg for love. Because real love doesn't grow from pity. Set high standards. So those who come will prove their worth. Believe that you are lovable without having to beg. Let them prove their desire, not you pointing the way. If they don't chase you, that's a sign they may not be the one. But when you become a magnetic force of charm, not just one, but many will gladly chase you. So take care of yourself daily, because you are the home of true love. Love your life without conditions, and those who come will come with intention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.